We're gonna do a new look today. I've been seeing this look all over my feed. I did this lip combo before. It's super cute. I love it. There's a reason why that shit went viral, because when I wear that lip, and we're gonna try some new makeup. Well, it's only one new thing. Just one thing. I promise it's worth it. It's worth the video. So you guys know that I'm not a huge fan of primer, but I've really been loving this one from REFY. It's the face primer glow in Sculpt. I love that it has a little roller. You squeeze a little bit until it farts. See that? Like that. And then you just apply it like this. And then if you start to feel it get a little dry, just pump a little more. And also, it's getting colder now. My skin is getting a little dry. With this though, you want to make sure that you always close it, because it will leak and it gets disgusting. Okay. So y'all know I'm always using my House Labs, but today we're going to be using this Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin. Put some of that on. What do you guys think of me doing? It's a little warm, but I could work with it. I got the shade 11 Neutral. I think I got this when I didn't have my little tan, but I could work with it. Let me know if you guys want me to make a thoughts and opinion video on new makeup drops. Cause I was thinking of making videos like that, because I love to see other people's opinions on new makeup that's dropping. It's kind of fun to see what's new, what's dropping, because yeah, even though like everybody has their makeup routine and stuff, sometimes you get bored of using the same thing over and over and you want to try something new. Buying makeup nowadays is a lot easier, because before we couldn't really return them if they were used, but now we're able to try products, and if we don't like it, if we get an allergic reaction, we could just return it, no problem. Damn, I'm really trying to like this brush, but I don't think I like it. I feel like I gotta apply a lot of product to make it work. Okay, so this foundation is very natural. It didn't really cover up my hyperpigmentation right here. I'm gonna use my NARS concealer and Truffle. How do you guys feel about fall approaching? Do you guys love the fall, or are you gonna miss the summer? I feel like this summer was kind of whack. It was kind of whack because I wasn't really making any money. I didn't really do much. I was just working, focusing on work, because I really want to try my best and go on vacation this year. I do not want to wait till next year. I really don't. The only reason why I'm saying that is because I don't know how long my passport is going to take, because I had to renew it and my boyfriend is getting a brand new one. And on top of that, I heard that they've been a bit delayed. And I just want to do a lot of fun stuff, because I just been home. I just been focusing on work for so long, or I've just been doing nothing, you know, because this year I've also been grieving. So I don't know. I'm tired of being at home. I'm tired of going to work and coming home. Going to work, going home. I want to go pumpkin patching. I want to go out for drinks. I want to go out for brunch, to dinner, nice pretty walks, like fall shit. I don't know. I just want to have fun. So for concealer, I'm gonna use my Hourglass. I'm in the shade Pearl. I don't know why I'm putting this much, because this concealer is so full coverage. I'm gonna just leave that there, and I'm not gonna apply concealer anywhere else. I'm just gonna use what I got for my under eye. So I'm gonna just teach you how to fix it right now if you don't have a beauty blender, because the beauty blender would definitely come in handy right now, but I'm too lazy to go up. So first I went in with a clean brush to get rid of all that excess that I didn't need, and then I went and blended it out with the same foundation brush that I used earlier to calm it down, and then I'm gonna just go in with my concealer brush to further blend everything out. I'm not feeling that first foundation brush I used, so I'm gonna just use my Sephora 56 and go over it. To contour, I'm gonna use my Milk Flex Stick in Cocoa. Yeah, Cocoa. Okay, cool. So now it it looks nice and fixed. It doesn't look crazy anymore. And then if anything, if you're not too sure, I would just give everything another blend. I want to use a nice, oh my god, excuse how this looks, it looks disgusting. I want to use a nice fall time blush, and I feel like this one's perfect. Is the Rose Ink blush in Azalea. Ooh, look at me, I'm all organized, I'm moving all fast and shit. Giddy. First I go in with my pressed powder. I use the Charlotte Tilbury in number 2. For my translucent powder, we're using the One Size Ultra Pink. I take another compact powder that's my shade or slightly darker, and I go on the perimeter of my face, not really my T-zone, but I do go around my mouth area. This is just my preference because, like I said earlier, I have hyperpigmentation there. Go back with the number 2 powder, and then I just kind of dust the baking powder I have under my eye. We're gonna bronze a bit. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury in number 4, but I'm going in very lightly because this is a dark shade. Now to give myself a little bit of glow, I'm gonna use my REFY Topaz Gloss Highlighter. Oh my god, I am so excited! Okay, I got a new eyeshadow palette, and it's the new Patrick Ta, where's the name? Major Dimension Matte Eyeshadow Palette number 3, bitch, number 3. This is gonna be my first Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette that I am trying out. You guys already know that I am obsessed with the blush palette from Patrick Ta. So let's see how I like the eyeshadow. Packaging, gorgeous. This retails for $70. Fucking gorgeous is that. It comes with all matte shades, warm shades on the top, cool tones on the bottom, and it comes with 2 cream colors, dark brown and black. I'm gonna see how this one works as a transition with my skin tone, because since I never tried these, I don't know the intensity. Does have a bit of kickback. Okay, so this looks like my skin tone color. So I'll just use this. Oh no, it's building up. It's building up. Wow, this blends like a dream. And this cherry cola eye is very simple. It's not too much on the lids. It's like an everyday look, like an everyday neutral matte eye. Let's just see what happens if I deepen it a little bit. I'm gonna slightly go into this one. Oh yeah, this is dark. This is dark. Okay, these are pigmented. I like that. This is nice. I'm gonna go in with this one. Let's try the lighter one. I want to see how much this builds when I pack it on, so I'm not gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna start out with this shade, and if it's not bright enough, I'm gonna just dip into this one. Or actually no, because it's a little bit more cool toned, so I'll do this one. I just want to do like a soft cut crease because I just want the look to be a little bit more defined. I use 2 and 5 and mix them together. I'm gonna go in with the black shade and just do like a smoky liner. So I'm gonna just do this to the other eye. Alright guys, so the eyes are done. All you have to do is put on eyeshadow. If you're a lash girly, put on your lash. I'll show you how it looks both ways, or if I just like the way it looks with my natural lashes, I'm gonna just keep it like this. This is the Hourglass Unlocked Mascara. I'm really liking the way it looks so far with just my natural lashes. I'm gonna move on to the lips and see how I feel about the final look. Okay, so I take a brown lip liner and line my lips. Now I take my Fenty Cream lip gloss in Fruit Snacks. Then I take my Fenty lip gloss in Heat. This is in Hot Cherry. I'm gonna take a little bit more of Fruit Snacks. Let me see how it looks if I was to put a lash on. I know I look so cunty. Should I put the lashes on or no? I think I'm gonna put the lashes on, babe. I'm sorry. Yeah, this looks way better with the lashes on. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a positive comment down below and I'll see you guys soon.